Hi, my name is Devin Zimmerman, and I am the project manager for the training program for the standardization of business suites using Microsoft Office. Now that we are about a third into the project, or about 4 months into a 12-month timeline, I am happy to report that we have a status of green, which means that we are on track and within our timelines. I will be giving a status report for the week of January 22nd to the 26th in the following slides. We have been able to keep our project on track, ahead of schedule, and below budget for a few reasons. Number one, through communications with the branch offices, it was determined that the takeaway materials will be electronic. Second, during the development of the training outline, a conclusion was reached that effective training can occur in just 2 business days rather than 4 or 5. And third, Cool Widgets has a partnership with a hotel chain that offered us a discounted rate if we hold all 5 training sessions in their brand of hotel. These elements combined have reduced costs and timelines. We have a milestone to celebrate. The first phase of the project, the planning phase, has been completed. The last step was to arrange the lodging and transportation accommodations, which were all finalized last week. Good job to everyone who helped us meet our goal. We start the implementation phase of the project next week. We have allowed for 2 days for the team to set up and test the training equipment. It will actually be closer to a day and a half, as the first day the team will be just arriving on site. The team has confirmed that this time allotment is sufficient. The following 2 days, January 31st through the February 1st, will be dedicated to the training program. The second day will be a hands-on training. When our training team arrives back in our office on Monday the 4th, I will be excited to review the first set of surveys and relay that information to all key stakeholders. However, there is one issue that I would like to bring up. We may have a small problem conducting training in Montana next week. The weather may be a factor due to an impending snowstorm. After checking the weather report, I contacted our preferred hotel chain and tentatively reserved a 4-day block of hotel rooms and a conference room in the month of May as a contingency plan in the event the snowstorm is severe and inhibits travel. I will, however, keep everyone updated via email. As you can see from the Gantt chart on the slide, we are a little ahead of schedule as the travel arrangements were completed last week and all other tasks are on track. Does anyone have any questions for me?